Hey guys, this is me, Kong again from Posh Coaching Classes. Today, what we are going to start is the topics on spoken English. So the very basic topic what I have chosen today is good for everyone. It is used by everyone whenever you have to speak English. There are a few things which are required. It is obviously the first thing what I say is different ways to say hello. So we should always remember whenever we are starting a conversation with someone, it may be a guy who is elder to you or younger to you, it can be a male or a female, anybody, but the first thing when we start our conversation, it is with the hello. But there are many ways. I have just chosen a few. There are many ways how we can say the same thing, that is hello. So we will just go through all these things and we will try to memorize them, and then we will try to use them as well in our surroundings. We will try to use them with our friends. Whoever is watching the video or whoever will watch the video later will try and use these words as much as possible so that it will be in your vocab, it will be in your vocabulary once you will practice them. So without wasting any more time, so let's go through the words or the sentences which I have just chosen. They are the simplest of all the sentences. There are many more sentences which can be used instead of hello, but we will just try and use few of them first, and later on, once we are good with all the things, we will try using others as well. So let's see. The first one is, it says how to use hello. So I can say hi there. This is the simplest one of the easiest used whenever you are talking to someone, whenever you want to start a conversation with anyone. It can be started using hi there. So this is the first one, hi there. Then we have hey, what's up? This is one of the casual languages which we use nowadays with our friends. Normally you cannot say these what's up, hey, what's up to your boss or your teacher, but you need to choose your words correctly. That's important. So you can use hey, what's up with your friends, with your brothers and sisters. Then it's very common and commonly used as well. Morning, if it is morning time. Then you have afternoon, if it is afternoon. And then evening time, you can say morning, afternoon, or evening. Then how are things? This is maybe one of the new for you. So new one for you. So how are things? This is one of the best ways you can actually ask anyone if you want to start a conversation. This is one of the best ways. How are things? So it will be better, because once you will ask this, the people will understand that you are asking, you're greeting, as well as you're asking them that how is it going with you. So how are things? Afterwards you can say how are you. This is the common used sentence, how are you. You can use this as well. Then we have how is it going. It is again a very good one. You can say how is it going. Then we have long time no see. If there is someone you have not seen for quite some time, so you can definitely say that long time no see. What does it mean? That it has been long time I have not seen you. So we are just inquiring about where he was or she was. Long time no see. Then what's new? What's new happening in the life? So that's what you can say. How's everything? You are asking again in a very good manner. How have you been? It is one of the ways you can ask. What have you been up to? This is also very nice, because again, if you have not seen your friend or your relative from a long time, you have not seen him for a long time, so you can definitely say this as well, so that he can tell you where he has been up to and what he has been up to. Then nice to see you. If you're very happy to see someone, you can definitely use this, nice to see you. Greetings and salutations. Again very good one, that is greetings and salutations. You are giving respect, as well as you are saying hi to the guy as well, whomever you are talking to. Then good to see you. If you're very happy to see someone, you can say good to see you. At the same time, you can say great to see you. Then, hey, how are you doing today? Or how are you today? These are few sentences you can use whenever you are starting a conversation with anyone. Just choose the words or choose the sentences correctly. There are few sentences which you will use or which you can use with your friends, but there are few sentences or few lines I have written here. There are few which you can use with your friends, and there are few which you can use with your elders as well. So just be careful what to use and where to use, but these are all the ways to say hello, right? Now, so that was about different ways of saying hello. Now we will move forward and we will see what to say when we meet people. For example, we are in a party, we go to school, we go to our coaching classes, we meet friends, and they greet us. And after greeting, what are we supposed to say? So there are few sentences which I have just chosen. There are many more, as I said earlier as well, but I have chosen a few which will be easy to remember. There are few words which are used again and again so that you can remember them quite well. So the first one I say is happy to see you. If you're very happy to see someone, you can say happy to see you. You can say happy to meet you because you are meeting the person, so you can definitely say happy to meet you. Same, you just need to change the word. Instead of happy, you can say glad to see you, glad to meet you. Again, these are the sentences which express your happiness, which you actually are expressing. Why? Because you're meeting someone. Again, you can say pleased to meet you. This is again the same, the meaning will remain same, but the ways will be different. So you can say pleased to meet you as well. It is a pleasure to meet you. You can be more formal and you can say it is a pleasure to meet you. Then you can say good to meet you, glad to meet you, that's already there. It was lovely meeting you. You can say it was lovely meeting you because you liked you're meeting the person you were with. So you can definitely say this as well. It was lovely meeting you once you finish with the meeting. Then the last one which I have chosen is nice to meet you again. So you can say, if you just notice, we have happy, we have glad, we have pleased, then pleasure. These are the few words which are used when we are meeting people, and when they greet us or when the meeting is finished, how to finish it off. You can definitely use these sentences and you can finish the meeting so that they will like the way you finish the things. Alright, so that was all about it for today. So today what we discussed is, one was how to say hello in different ways. There are many ways, there are many more, many more ways as well, but I have chosen a few. Same, we have we are done with the meeting people. Once we meet people and what we have to say, we are done with that. So that was all about it. I hope you will like the video. I hope you will go through the video and try to practice these things. So please do subscribe to our channel, that is Posh Coaching Classes. We will be making many more videos on this topic as well as many more topics as well. So do subscribe, like and share our videos. Thank you so much. This is Kong saying adios. Thank you.